how to share a contact on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view your chat list. Open a chat from this list. Then, tap on the plus icon at the bottom left corner. Then select the contact option from this menu. Select the contact that you want to share. Tap on the circles to select multiple contacts. Once you're done selecting, hit the next button at the top right corner. A preview of your selection will appear on the screen. Check the details and tap on Send at the top right corner. As you can see, the contacts has been shared and delivered as a message. Now, the recipient can call or save the contacts on their phone. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can share a contact on WhatsApp.